Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Bird. I'm the Senior Career Development Specialist here on Marshall's campus in the Office of Career Education. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your Handshake account, look for jobs on Handshake, and how to set up an appointment with us for your resumes, mock interviews, any kind of career questions that you have. So first things first, you'll log into MyMU, and when you get to MyMU, you're going to scroll down here to find Handshake. Once you find it, you will click on it. It will take you to a page similar to this, but it will have you log in. Since mine's already set up, it already takes me straight to my Explore page. But for you all, you're going to focus on setting up your profile. So first things first, it's going to have you put in your first name and your last name. You are allowed to put your preferred name on here. So put what you want the employers to see. You can include a headline, you can include your pronouns, your location, or any links that you feel like need to be seen. So this is going to be your LinkedIn, a portfolio maybe you completed in high school. It can be a web page that you own, anything that you feel like is relevant. Next thing is going to be, what are you looking for? Are you looking for a full-time job, a part-time job, internships, those kind of things? You will put it on there. Then, as you can see, my next thing that I have is roles that I am looking for with my degree. So, for me with a master's in social work, these are the kind of things I'm looking for. For you all, you will type in things that you want to do with your degree and search and put it on here. You will even be able to look for industries. So, are you wanting to work in the healthcare industry? Do you want to do research? Those kind of things. And then you'll include what location. So if you're staying in the tri-state, maybe it's Huntington, Ashland, and Ironton, or maybe you want to relocate to Georgia. So first thing you do is you put that in there, because then it'll show you you are looking for jobs within those locations, within these roles. So once you get that, you'll push save. You can include a summary if you would like. This is just 1 to 2 sentences that describe you to an employer and how you would be the best candidate for them. Yes, you can see I don't have one at this time, but this is something that even we can help you with in our office. The next thing is skills. I recommend up to 10. As you can see, I have quite a few, but you want to put things that you know how to do on here. So for me, communication, problem solving, CBT therapy, you want to include things that you know are relevant to your degree that you already know how to do. And you can update that as you continue in your career. Next is adding in your work experience. As you can see, I have volunteer experience, internships, all of those kind of things. So as you progress, you will want to come back and continue to update. And then your education comes next. So you're going to get on here, you're going to type in Marshall University. You'll want to do your bachelor's. Make sure you push currently pursuing. You'll put your start date, so August, this year, the year that you're starting. Then you can put an end date, but that is optional. You can include your major, any minors that you've added on. You can add your GPA, anything like that. Once you do that, you will click save. Your next thing is courses. You want to put in relevant courses you're currently taking or have taken that are relevant towards your degree. So as you can see, if you get on here, I have social work, social psychology, substance use, and in society and social work, controversies in healthcare. You want to include things that you know are relevant. And then you can add on your organizations. As you join them on campus, you can include what you have been a part of, if you've held any positions. You can add your projects, you can add languages that you know, but once you get that, you've got your profile set up. So now what do? Then we want you to be able to look for jobs. That's a big thing. So you'll come over here and you'll click that job tab. When you click on the job tab, it's going to look like there's a whole lot of stuff for you to look at. I recommend filtering it out. So let's say you're looking for an internship. You're going to click on internship. Let's say you're only looking for an internship here in Huntington, so you can even filter out your location. Maybe you want to stay close, so we do like 30 miles. You can apply that. It's going to show you all the things that's within 30 miles of Huntington, and you can filter through those. You can even get over here to filters, and you can even put, maybe we want it and it's paid. Maybe you want something that's on site. Maybe you want it in your major, so you can get over here and you can click any kind of majors that you have that you want to look at. things that you want to pursue, you can push apply and it will pull those things up and filter them out from you. So it goes from maybe 100 and some jobs to 18 because it's more specific. So once you do that, you can click on it. Maybe you want to do this. Then you can apply. It'll tell you all the work information. And of course, you're going to need a resume. So how do you make sure your resume is ready to go? Well, that leads me to the next one. You want to schedule an appointment. So you'll go to Career Center. It's going to pop up with our page, but that first box, appointments, schedule a time. Let's schedule a new appointment. You'll click what your classification is here on campus. Then you can click through any of these. So let's say that you're coming for a resume. You'll push professional document review. It's going to come up with the week, the days. Let's say you're looking for something the week next. You can click whatever day that works best for your schedule. And then you can click any time that it works best for your schedule. So once you do that, let's say you need help with your resume, you'll put that here. Who did you hear it from? Maybe you heard it from class, so you can put class requirement if you have to do it for your class requirements. Are you scheduling this to complete a class assignment? You could put yes or no. But you'll go through all of this, and then you'll push request once you've answered all of the questions here. Once you've done that, it will come to us. We will approve it, and then we will see you for that appointment. But if you have any questions, please come over to the Office of Career Education and see us, and we can help you with that. But that is how you complete your Handshake profile, look for jobs, and set up an appointment with us. Have a good day, guys.